There were some students yesterday sharing your inputs, like what your goal was. I'm going to mute all. Kindly put up your name, put up your hand, and then I'll call upon, I'll unmute you. You can speak. I want more of inputs today from you. I gave you an activity yesterday. Do you remember? Were you able to complete that? Were you able to complete that? Yes, no, yes. I've received 3 responses here. Good morning, ma'am. Yes. Who's the 7171? I said, please log in with your name. Sandeep Maheshwari, kaun hai ye beta? Please log in with your name. Yes. So how many of you have written down your goals? And how many of you would want to talk about it? Screen sharing. Just share my screen. Yes. Who's the 7171? You wanted to talk about your goal. I'll unmute you. So we will talk about it. And before we start with it, yes, Shabnam Maurya. We hunt for you. Shabnam Maurya. Okay. Shabnam, unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. Yeah. And the 7171. Acha, before Shabnam and this whoever 7171, क्या नाम है बेटा आपका? क्या नाम है? हाँ बेटा. आपका नाम क्या है? Are you there? So now, what did we see yesterday? I started with an activity, if you remember. See, please don't talk. Background noise, thoda, please. If you're going to be talking at the background, mute yourself and then talk. Yesterday we started with an activity. Do you remember? Can somebody say what the activity was? And I will tell you what the significance of the activity was as we go on in the session. हाँ शबनम बताओ क्या एक्टिविटी था कल?
मैम कल एक्टिविटी था हमारा तो गोल्स के बारे में. व्हाट इज योर गोल्स?
ठीक है. उसके पहले जब when we started the session we had an activity, if you remember.
यस मैम. जब मैं राइट बोलूंगी तो आप लेफ्ट देखना, लेफ्ट बोलूं तो राइट देखना.
ओके. उसके पहले
उसके पहले मैम आई डोंट रिमेम्बर।
I don't think. Sorry. Anybody
मैम
else?
याद नहीं।
Anybody else? कल क्या एक्टिविटी किया था हमने? When we started the session, we had an activity.
स्टोरी।
हाँ, उसमें हमने वही स्टोरी को 2 बार बोला था. एक बार जब मैंने बोला राइट तो आपको राइट देखना था, लेफ्ट बोला तो लेफ्ट देखना था. The
Yes,
next
ma'am.
time we said when I say right, you should look to your left. When I say left, you should look to your right. Right? And most of you,
Yes, ma'am.
I mean all of us, even me, if I had done that activity, I would have made mistakes. Correct? पहले बार
Yes,
भी
ma'am.
मिस्टेक हुआ था, दूसरा बार ज्यादा हुआ था आपको मिस्टेक्स. करेक्ट? डू यू
Yes,
रिकॉल?
ma'am.
Now,
Yes.
I am going to tell you why we did this activity as we go on, right? But before that,
Yes, ma'am.
we also discussed about what exactly is a goal, right? And what are the types of goals? We spoke about how do you classify the goals into personal, professional, and then we also spoke about classifying the goals into outcome and performance goals, right? जो फाइनल आउटकम है उसके लिए मैं परफॉर्म कर रही हूँ, वो भी डिस्कस किया था हमने.
Yes, ma'am.
जस्ट इन केस, सी आई वांट टू लूज वेट. मेरा अल्टीमेट गोल है 5 साल में मुझे 15 किलो कम करना है, राइट? व्हाट विल आई बी डूइंग? आई विल बी ईटिंग अ हेल्थी डाइट, राइट? These are my performance goals. Every day I will design my diet. ये खाएगी, ये खाएगी, ये खाएगी, ये नहीं खाएगी, ये नहीं खाएगी, ये नहीं खाएगी. And then I'm going to start walking every day for 20 minutes. I will walk. 20 minutes I will meditate. Correct? So these were my performance goals that I had set. Smaller goals if I would quantify them. ये किया था हमने.
Yes, ma'am.
And we also identified if goals are framed. I am going to be doing, if goals are set, I am going to be seeing if they are smart goals. Correct? इतना तक हमने देखा
Yes,
था.
ma'am.
And I also gave you an activity as to identify goals. मैं आपको identification कैसे करना है ये भी बताऊंगी as we go on in the session, right? We are going to identify goals and we are going to see how it can be achieved, what exactly I should do. समझ में आया आपको? So can we have somebody to share their goals now? Yesterday Jayashree wanted to share. Shabnam, yes. Shabnam, आप ही करो. You start sharing.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Can I start, ma'am?
Yes, please. Yes.
Ma'am, I want to learn to degree, मतलब कि कोर्स कंप्लीट करने के बाद मैं
हाँ,
मैनेजर बनना चाहती हूँ फ्रेंड का.
Okay.
उसमें yes, मैम मैनेजर, फिर उसके बाद अच्छी सैलरी होनी चाहिए जो मैं फर्स्ट डिग्री पे नाम पे करूँ.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. बस मैम इतना है.
आपको मैनेजर बनना है, आपको अच्छी सैलरी लेना है. करेक्ट?
Yes, ma'am.
Anything else? Now see, when I told you yesterday, write down your goal. पेपर ले लो, अपना गोल लिखो. बोला था आपको?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you write it down? हाँ बेटा. Did you write down your goals? Shabnam, can you please, mute yourself. Please don't scribble on the screen. Did you write down your goals? Shabnam, are you there? Shabnam, you are muted. You are muted. Unmute yourself and talk. Yes. Did you write down your goals, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. आपने goals लिखा था ना? So we also said goals can be achieved only when you are going to be when they are going to be smart. Did I say that? Did I say goals can be achieved only when they can be smart? Correct?
Yes.
स्मार्ट का मतलब क्या था? स्पेसिफिकली आपको अच्छे पढ़ना है, आपको मैनेजर बनना है, ज्यादा कमाना है. करेक्ट? शबनम, आर यू देयर?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. आपको सी नाउ आई वांट यू टू बी स्पेसिफिक. ये जो मॉडल हमने बनाया है गोल सेटिंग का, मेकिंग इट अ स्मार्ट गोल, आई वांट यू टू हैव दिस मॉडल एवरी वॉक ऑफ योर लाइफ. हर एक चीज के लिए आप रखोगे, you will be able to actually identify your goal, and then you're going to be able to set goals, achieve them easily. आपको दिक्कतें नहीं आएगी, क्योंकि क्या होगा, आपको एक फोकस मिल जाएगा. When I'm going to say you're going to be setting goals, you're going to be working on them, you will get a focus. Correct? Now, what is actually stopping me from setting goals and this thing? We will discuss that, but I want more people to come up with your goals. Can we have more people? Yes, Ravina. I will unmute you now. Ravina, unmute yourself now. Unmute yourself and speak up. Yes, Ravina. What is your goal, Ravina?
मैम मुझे बैंक मैनेजर बनना है.
Very good. Right, then.
तो ज्यादा सैलरी चाहिए
ज़्यादा सैलरी
इसलिए, और MBA करने का है मेरे को.
MBA करने का है, ज़्यादा सैलरी चाहिए, बैंक मैनेजर बनना है. कैन यू एक्चुअली सीक्वेंस में क्या लिस्ट कर सकते हो आप? पहले क्या करना है?
अभी मेरे को जॉब चाहिए TY के बाद.
बराबर, जॉब चाहिए फर्स्ट. सेकेंड,
जॉब करके मैं MBA करने वाली हूँ.
along with your job you are going to do MBA. Correct? Then,
यस मैम.
and then
इतना ही मैम.
you said you wanted to become a manager,
यस.
so which means you wanted to be promoted. Correct?
यस मैम. यस मैम.
तो हमने अभी तक कितने गोल्स आइडेंटिफाई किया था? You wanted to complete your TY and get a job, number 1.
यस मैम.
You wanted to earn a very high pay. Correct?
यस मैम.
इसके साथ साथ आपको MBA करना है. इसके साथ साथ
यस मैम.
आप क्या करोगे? मैनेजर प्रमोशन
जॉब भी करें.
जाओगे. करेक्ट?
यस.
तो जब हमने
यस मैम.
बनाया था, ये सब कितने साल होने चाहिए? Ravina, 1 minute, I'll mute everybody and unmute you because there's background noise.
यस.
अभी unmute कीजिए रवीना. Yeah, Ravina. So we decided that we are going to be. Do you get a clarity now of what you want? आपको एक clarity मिल रहा है? पहले से अभी clarity है when you made it into a sequence. पहले तो you had lot of desires, correct?
यस मैम.
desires बहुत थे, but अभी क्या हो रहा है? आपको clarity मिल रहा है क्या क्या exactly कैसे कैसे चाहिए, right? You had a lot of things that you wanted. मैनेजर बनना है, नौकरी लेना है, ज्यादा कमाना है, MBA करना है, but किसके बाद क्या? Were you able to list it down?
यस मैम.
एक के बाद एक. So as you ponder over it, आपको ज्यादा clarity मिलेगा, correct?
यस मैम.
And then before that, I would also want to ask you कितने सालों में चाहिए, because goals will have to be smart, right? Goals will
यस
have to
मैम.
be time bound बनाओ. Make it time bound. When I said you, I made you specific. I helped you. I mean, I can rather help you to frame a goal. I cannot set a goal for you. Do you agree with me on that, all of you?
मैम यस मैम
तो मैं गोल सेट करने का हेल्प कर सकती हूँ, बट आई कैन नॉट फ्रेम योर गोल्स फॉर यू बिकॉज यू नो व्हाट यू वांट टू डू. We will also come to that as to how to identify. You know what to be, what you want to do, etc. But then, when it comes to setting a goal, I cannot set it for you. I can only help you frame it. Right? Now, anybody else who wants to
Ma'am.
share? Now you said specific. We made it measurable. कभी कभी क्या क्या चाहिए, right? Have we made it measurable first of all? I will rather put it this way. हमने measurable किया क्या इसको? रवीना,
हाँ मैम
आपके हिसाब से did we make it measurable? We made it specific. You wanted to complete your graduation, you wanted to be employed in a bank, you wanted to earn a lot of salary, you wanted to simultaneously do MBA, you want to get promoted, correct? तो
Yes,
हमने
ma'am.
इसे measurable बनाया क्या?
Yes ma'am.
I still feel there is a gap. जब आपने बोला ज़्यादा पैसा कमाना है, quantify it. In a year, I want to earn so much. Do I make
Yes,
sense to you? That ज़्यादा has to be quantified.
Yes ma'am.
You understand?
Yes ma'am.
Now, coming back to the next part of it, it is attainable. Of course, it is attainable. I'll tell you when. इसका भी है. And it is relevant. Of course, it is relevant because what you're doing is, a commerce course, or more specific, a banking and insurance course, right? And I just told you, make it time bound. इतने सालों में चाहिए. जिंदगी भर you cannot have that ख्वाब of making lot of money, right? समझ में आया आपको?
Yes ma'am.
रवीना?
Yes ma'am.
Right. We go back to our anybody else who wants to share, who wants to give their input? Anyone else? शबनम, आपको unmute करती हूँ. Do you want to share something? Shabnam, unmute yourself. Yesterday, Jayashree was sharing. She's not here today. Shabnam. Okay, fine. So we go back to what is stopping me. Why am I not setting? How many of us have actually set goals and worked on that? Not many of us, correct? So what actually is stopping me? That's what I'm going to focus on. My own beliefs. I thought over it and I'm not able to set my goals because I have my own beliefs. Vaishali, na? Vaishali, आपके नाम से log in करो बेटा. It helps me for the attendance. कौन आया? Ma'am, I'm also there. Do you want to share? Do you want to share something? Yes, I will unmute you. Hang on, I'm just looking out for this. 7171. Acha beta. Do you want to speak something? Ravina, are you done? Just type out in your chat box if you're done. Okay. Now we go back. And if there is anybody who wants to share their goal or whatever, please type in here. We will share. Everybody gets an equal chance to share if you want to share. It has to be on a voluntary basis. I don't want to pick people. The more you share, more focus you get when you speak about it. You will see that in the coming slide. Now, what is actually stopping me? Can anybody come up with an answer for this? What is stopping me? यस, आप गोल क्यों नहीं सेट करते हो? आपको दिक्कतें क्या है गोल सेट करने में? Very good. I've got an answer in the chat box. May I? Yes, Adira. I will unmute you. Yes, Adira, speak. Yes.
Ma'am, maybe, ma'am, 1 minute.
Yeah.
Ma'am, maybe due to our family conditions or financial conditions, we may not be able to achieve what we want to achieve.
Because of your family issues, you're not able to achieve. That is what Adira gave me. Am I right? See, maybe financial issues.
Ma'am.
Your family may not allow you to work being a girl or being of a specific thing. So, but then, supposing even boys may parents say like, if you have to go abroad and work, I will not permit you. There are still parents who do that. But then, I will not say all these are a problem. Problem is, it is your belief. I will tell you why. Problem is your belief. क्यों ऐसे हो रहा है? प्रॉब्लम क्यों बिलीफ पे है? बिकॉज आप कन्विंस कर सकते हो, राइट? यस, संतोष हैज रेज्ड हिज हैंड्स. संतोष. Okay, so you can still convince. Someone says finance also stops me. See, I will tell you, prior to this, I had a session with some other institution where a student said, I wanted to be a pilot, but I am not able to be a pilot because my family finances are such that I will not be able to even afford to spend on any license or anything. And the age limit is 45 for pilot. I said, okay. But then he himself came up with a solution. He said, I thought over it. Since I badly wanted to be a pilot, I said, I will spend 3 years working for a software company and earning money and then saving some money. And I have almost reached 50% of it, right? So finances, see, beyond a point, we need to start working. We can jot down, nahi ho raha hai, different. That is different. We can always work on something that is achievable. And I'm sure there is nothing like nahi ho raha hai if you start working towards it. Who's this? Yeah, somebody, Ravina. आपको कुछ बोलना है? Yes. Yes. Ravina, go on. I've unmuted you.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello. Go on, Ravina. You raised your hand. Yes, please speak up. See, that is my suggestion, that you can work on your finances and go on. But these are certain things are your belief, right? So let's
Yes.
start thinking from a broader perspective. Keep the beliefs aside. Find out if I need 3 lakh for this. I will start working towards that 3 lakh, save it, and then start working on my goal. Can we try that? Can we try that? Let us be very honest. Let us not be unrealistic speaking in the air. Adira, what do you say?
Yes, ma'am. Of course, you can do.
You can do it, right? So,
Yes.
that's one thing. My own beliefs stop me. Now, I can mute all of you now. Yeah, muted. Muted. Now, why should I first of all set goals? Now, goals give me focus. So yesterday when I said I will tell you why I conducted the activity, Let me come to that. See, many of you said you made a mistake. Yes, very good. Someone has given me an answer. Finances also stopped. I gave you a solution for that. If you can try, I mean, now goals give us focus. Focus matlab, see, I am focused on my goal. I want to achieve that, so I'm working towards it. Yesterday, when I told you I want the final outcome as this, Vaishnavi has given me an answer. We are afraid of our future results. We will talk about that now, right? Or when I talk about confidence, I will talk to you about future results also. जो आपने बोला ना, वो particular thing. Goals give you focus. Focus मुझे देता है, right? I am focused. Yesterday when I conducted that activity, right? First time I told you, when I say right, when I use the word right, look to your right. Second time, when I use the word left, you are looking to your left, correct? And then the second time I said, when I use the word right, you're going to look to your left. When I use the word left, you're going to look to your right. And we all said that we made mistakes. The first time, all I required was focus. थोड़ा सा भी फोकस हट जाता है ना, क्योंकि I did not speak out so fast that you couldn't focus and then make a mistake. फटाफट नहीं बोलती गई थी, मैं बोल रही थी, बट उसमें थोड़ा मैंने पॉज भी किया. I mean, I spoke in a very slow tone, right? Slow था, it was slow enough for you to focus on, and then kindly stop scribbling on the screen, whoever it is. Yeah. So we are going to, when we focused a little, we were able to look to the right or follow the instructions rather, right? And then when a little bit of focus was lost, we had to, we made mistakes there. Do you all